Congratulations, your flight is booked and you are going to Japan. Have you started packing yet? If so, I hope you still have some room because after traveling to Japan for 6 times and counting, I have developed a checklist of items that are critical to have with you at all times when traveling Japan, aside from clean underwear and of course a toothbrush. So get your pens ready because what I'm about to share with you is what you will not want to forget. I'll keep this quick as I know you must be busy planning your exciting trip. Item number 1, a good handkerchief. Not only are these fashionable, but they're also very practical. Why? Well, although the toilets in Japan are super advanced and awesome, the hand drying systems available are still very primitive, if at all. So make sure to carry your trusty handkerchief so you can dry your hands in an eco-friendly way after washing them, unless you're the type that doesn't wash. Item number 2, comfortable shoes. In Japan, the best things you'll experience all involve plenty of walking, so don't be strapping on a pair of heels when you step outside to explore. Choose something comfortable that will allow you to keep walking day after day. Blister-free. Item number 3, a good wallet with plenty of space for change. Many of Japan's best shops and restaurants are cash only. Yes, even in the big city. As you will be dealing with lots of coins and bills, make sure to always be packing cash and have a place to keep it. If you fear walking around with cash, it's time to get over it. Japan is safe, you won't get robbed. Here's a true story. My friend once left his wallet at a restaurant full of cash. 1 week later, he finally tracked it down and not a dime was missing. If that doesn't prove my point, I don't know what will. Item number 4, Suika card or Pasmo card. I could not imagine being without one of these lifesavers. You can grab one at most stations and charge it up with cash, allowing you to quickly swipe on and off of trains and buses around town. Now the machines to charge these cards also have an English mode, so you don't need to worry. These cards cost around $5 initially, but it's well worth the investment to save yourself the stress and time trying to figure out what ticket you need to buy at each station, which could lead you to overspend anyways. Item number 5, a portable garbage bag. Now, although Tokyo is a very clean city, you will quickly notice there are very few, if any, garbage cans around, not even in the bathrooms. So be sure to always have a bag with you to store your garbage on the go. However, sometimes you might get lucky and find one near a vending machine or a convenience store. Item number 6, a good umbrella. As you will spend lots of time walking around Japan, you better be prepared for when it begins to rain. If you ever find yourself stuck without one, you can always find them super cheap at stations or convenience stores. Item number 7, a phone with Wi-Fi. Not just for taking selfies and photos of all the amazing food you'll eat in Japan, being in a new city allows for many opportunities to get lost. So having Wi-Fi access on your phone allows you to use the GPS. It's pretty handy. Item number 8, a good water bottle. Although Japan literally has a vending machine on every corner, make sure to have a water bottle with you to quench your inevitable thirst when you don't feel like spending more change. Item number 9, a good backpack. Unless you want to carry all the items in your hands mentioned so far in this video, you're going to need a good backpack. One tip here, if you're traveling in the summertime, it gets hot. So to minimize the amount of inevitable back sweat, get a backpack that's breathable and comfortable to wear throughout the day. Maybe even consider a side carry. Whatever bag you end up choosing, if it's in the summer, make sure to throw in a dry shirt to change into later. To conclude this packing list, I have one final bonus item you will need to ensure is with you at all times. But don't worry, this specific item will not take up any room in your bag. What is it? And don't forget to bring your sense of adventure, because you're going to need it if you want to explore all that Japan has to offer. There you have it. The 10 most essential items to have with you at all times in Japan. If you manage to check off all the items on this list, you can be confident that you are prepared for any situation that arises throughout your future adventures. If you have any other useful items that you have found helpful, then be sure to leave it in the comments below so we can add it to the list for others. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the link in the description to read the written list of everything included in this video. If you want more travel tips or are interested in Japanese culture or language, check out our website japponline.com to discover the many other resources available to you there. Arigatou gozaimasu for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Subscribe and come along with me.